cold and flu season is here, and many states are already seeing an uptick in COVID cases. Here with immunity boosting advice is the author of You Can't Outrun Your Fork, holistic functional doctor, Dr. Anya Szigeti, with a way to start your day with an immunity boosting beverage. It is so good to see you again.
Hi, Gail. Great to be here again. Thank you.
So we have a great way to kind of boost our immune system, which is so important because if you can do that instead of getting sick, so much better.
Absolutely. And even one step higher than that is immune modulation. So oftentimes when the immune system is overactive, we actually need to help it to calm down a little bit.
Okay.
If it's like an autoimmune type situation, that means the immune system is going kind of out of control a little bit. And then when we are fighting off a cold or a virus, then we need to boost the immune system. And so this lovely ingredient helps to do both.
I love that. So how do we get started?
So I love coffee.
Me too.
I love coffee, but I'm very particular about the coffee that I pick. I pick a coffee that is organic because coffee beans are one of the highest pesticide content produce items, unfortunately. I make sure that the coffee that I use is tested for contaminants like mold. Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
A lot of people think that the jitters and the headache that they get from drinking coffee is from the coffee, but it's actually from the mold.
It can be like a toxic reaction in the body, and the body is overloaded with it, yes. So that's kind of step one, to make sure that we're cautious with that. I add grass-fed butter into my coffee.
I love that.
If you don't do dairy or don't do animal products, you could use MCT oil, which is the medium chain triglycerides from organic coconut oil, or even organic coconut oil itself. And there are some amazing organic vegan butters that are available too that you could use in place of that. I use a grass-fed collagen powder because collagen is so important for so many things in our body. And then, as we see, we have some beautiful mushrooms here.
Okay.
And all of them have their own superpower. They're all immune modulating. Some of them are also adaptogenic, which helps us to respond to stress, which is great when the holidays are around the corner. I know all of us need a little bit of help balancing out our stress, so that's very helpful with that. I choose a blend that has 10 different organic mushrooms in it, but you could make your own. You could dehydrate them and blend them down yourself, but I prefer to do it, take a little bit of a shortcut with that, but that's okay.
All right.
So we're gonna use this container here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the coffee in because it is quite hot. We're pouring in our coffee.
That looks amazing. Smells so good.
Smells so good. Love, love, love a nice cup of coffee in the morning. And then if you want to go ahead and pour in the collagen powder, so that, again, that's the grass-fed collagen powder.
So now the collagen powder, is that separate from the mushrooms though, right? That's just grass-fed collagen powder.
Yes,
okay, got
that's separate. That's just something separate that I do. I just know the benefits of collagen, and I just want to make sure that I get that all in the morning. There's our grass-fed butter. And then this is the mushroom powder right here. So if you want to go ahead and add that in.
And again, when people get scared, oh, how fattening butter, but that's a really healthy fat that our body knows how to digest.
Yes, exactly. It's the unhealthy fats like margarine are the ones that we need to be very concerned with and stay away from. And so I'm just using a little immersion, little mini blender here just to mix it up because the butter sometimes will sit on the top, or the oil, whatever oil we use. And this is great too, so I'm guilty of this, of just having a cup of coffee in the morning and running out the door. But this way I'm getting some healthy fats, some high quality protein, and some plant-based fiber all in my coffee.
I love it.
If you want to pass me the mugs, we can give this a try.
Yes, let's give it a try.
It's very hot, so just be careful.
Okay.
So we'll just give a little,
a little taste.
A little taste for both of us here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To good health. Oh, it's good. I mean, the collagen and the butter made it seem like we poured cream in there.
It gives a nice creamy, like a latte.
It does.
And you can't even taste the mushrooms.
No, I don't taste the mushrooms at all. This is really quite delicious and an easy way to boost our immune system.
Yes, and that way you have immune modulating mushrooms in your body, helping your body and your immune system stay nice and strong every single day.
I love it. Thanks so much, Dr. Anya.